Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add 18% GST for amount in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the product amount is the data. This amount went from the 80% GST. Firstly, click for the amount bar. Now keyboard press for no equal sign. Now control from the amounts select. Now keyboard press from the into and right from the 1.18. Now keyboard press from the counter enter. Now select the all. That's okay. Then we show the add 18% GST amount for in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.